the Supreme Court has refused to postpone the JEE and the NEET exams amidst this pandemic. So what is more important, the student's career or the student's life? Let's discuss this in this brand new episode of Opinion Matters with me, Pranay Manyar. JEE and NEET are to be held soon. JEE is to be held on 1st September to 6th September and NEET is to be held on 13th September. 11 students from 11 different states requested the Supreme Court to postpone these two exams, citing the COVID pandemic. However, their plea was dismissed by the Supreme Court. These students shed light on the problems which could arise if the exams were held in this current pandemic scenario. They spoke about the infrastructure problem which many examination centers possess, as these examination centers cannot ensure social distancing among students. They also spoke about the commute problems which the students might face, as most of the public transport and intercity rail in the country is inoperational. However, the bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra in Supreme Court squashed this petition, as he said, career of students cannot be put under jeopardy for a long time. Life cannot be stopped and we have to move ahead with all safety and all education should be opened up. Justice Mishra also said that we don't know when the pandemic will end and when it will be safe for the students to appear for these exams. Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General of India, fought this case on the behalf of the government and the National Testing Agency. National Testing Agency is the body of the government which overlooks and conducts higher education entrance tests. In the hearing of the Supreme Court, he said that the government will take all the necessary and the required steps to ensure the well-being and the safety of the students. Turns out to be not everyone has welcomed Supreme Court's verdict, as Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik of Odisha has written a letter to the HRD Minister seeking the postponement of these exams, as his state has witnessed a huge spurt in COVID-19 cases, and he also cites the unavailability of public transport and intercity rail in the state, as most of the students live in the rural and the tribal areas. Also, many people have welcomed the verdict of the Supreme Court, as they think postponement of these exams could lead to further confusion and chaos amongst the students. Also, many students have said that they would like to appear for these exams despite the pandemic. If the exams are postponed, this could lead to colleges opening late and not be able to complete the syllabus on time and lag behind the other courses which other colleges offer. The exam should be only held if the government is able to ensure the safety of the students who are appearing for these exams. The government can ensure the safety of students by providing the students with sanitizers and implementing measures for social distancing in the examination center. This could be considered as a big success for all of us if the government was able to implement all this. If the government fails doing this, it would be considered as a monumental disaster for all of us and also could jeopardize the life of 25 lakh students across the country. Anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below if you want these exams to be postponed or not. Until then, keep asking the right questions, keep searching the right answers. This is me, Pranay Manyar from the 21st Talks. Ab hum bolenge.